This car is going to change people's minds about front-wheel drive and about, you know, BMW or Porsches being the best track cars, because this car can keep up with those cars and be just as much fun to drive. Hi everyone, this is our 2017 MK7 GTI Performance Pack. We're super excited. We're going to be doing a series of episodes on this called the Long Haul, and we're going to be seeing how fast we can make this car go around this track with some simple upgrades. So this car has about 13,000 miles on it. It's just on the used market. It is a performance pack with aluminum slip. So we're going to do a baseline lap. We're going to tell you what we liked about the car, what we didn't like about the car. So first, the car is definitely a good track car. This thing is fun to drive, rotates well in the corners, great brakes, really good power, crisp throttle response, good shifts. Power feels good and steady, up to 6,000 RPM, 6,500, shift. Now we're in fourth, we're gonna downshift to third here. Understeer in, classic uphill, hit the hill, turn. Straighten it out. I would say for cons on the car right now, you know, it is a little roly-poly. You know, we have stock suspension on the car. The car does, you know, pitch a lot in the corners. Early transition. See how fast I had to be with my hands. If I did that with the race car, they'd be spun out into the wall right now. It feels pretty good in these corners, these basic, you know, brake, turn, straight corners. But the dynamic ones is where you really feel the car not performing so well. It could be a little more lively. You know, there's definitely a little give in the bushings, and the car takes a little bit to take a set into the corners. And certainly the brakes are good initially, but when they get warm, the pedal goes away. It needs something. If you're going to be doing a lot of track driving, this car needs a little bit more on the brakes. In essence, this car feels like a Mark I Golf again. The GTI is back. I don't know how to say that. This is the essence that made the Mark I GTI so awesome. This is probably one of the best out-of-the-box track cars, under $25,000 in the European market right now. The mission of this isn't to turn this into a full-blown race car. What we want is to bring out its best qualities, and then we're going to do a series of upgrades on this car using our partners 034 Motorsport and SACHS Performance. We're going to do some oil changes with Liqui Moly, and we're going to bring this thing back out here, and we're going to do another lap around this track and see how much we can improve this car with some simple upgrades. And the next time we come to Lime Rock, that's what we're going to find out.